Hello, little buddies. This is Frozendoll reading for you. Today I am reading the book Fancy Nancy, Hair Do's and Hair Don'ts. Do not forget, tomorrow is Picture Day. Miss Glass reminds us. Reminding is fancy for making us remember something. I also have a surprise. Oh, what is it? Asked Clara. If I told you, it wouldn't be a surprise, says Miss Glass. You will find out tomorrow. Goodbye, I say to Miss Glass. She didn't need to remind me about Picture Day. It is just about the most important day of the school year. Weeks ago, I put a circle around the day on my calendar. Weeks ago, I picked out my outfit. Outfit is fancy for clothes. I will wear my pink shirt with ruffles, my purple skirt with ruffles, my pink and purple socks with ruffles. Ruffles make anything fancy. After dinner, I read my library book. It is about Amelia Earhart. She was a brave airplane pilot. Amelia was not fancy, but I like how she looks. Her hair most of all. Her hairstyle is called a bob. Then it hits me. I have not decided on my hairstyle for Picture Day. My hair is curly, so I can wear it in many flattering ways. Flattering is fancy for pretty. Maybe I will wear my hair in pigtails. Maybe I will wear my hair in a bun. Maybe I will wear my hair long and loose. Just then, Bree calls. She describes her outfit for Picture Day. Describe means to tell about. Then she says, my mom braided my hair and put in new beads. Oh, how elegant, I tell her. Elegant is fancy for fancy. Maybe I will wear cornrows like Brie. But Mom does not have time to make lots of braids, and Dad is not a good braider. Later, I read more of my book. Then it hits me. I will wear my hair like Amelia. Ooh la la! That will be perfect for picture day. Amelia's hair was shorter than mine, but I can trim my hair. I snip a little here. I snip a little there. I snip in the back and I snip in the front for bangs. My bangs are crooked, so I snip some more. Trimming hair is very complicated. Complicated is the opposite of easy. I am still snipping when Mom comes into my room. Nancy, what are you doing? Scissors are only for cutting paper. That is a Clancy family rule. I am sorry. Really, I am. I just wanted my hair to look perfect for picture day, I say. But it looks horrible. Mom tries her best to help. There, your hair looks fine. She is trying to comfort me. That's fancy for making me feel better. I can go to school tomorrow. I can't be in the picture, I say. But Mom says, you are not missing school because of your hair. The next morning, I come into class. I'm wearing my fancy outfit. I have tied a scarf around my head. It does not look fancy. It looks odd, which is fancy for strange. Soon it is time for the picture. Lionel and Bree are next to me. I wish I were invisible. Miss Glass says, you all look wonderful. Now I will show you the surprise. She has caps for us. The caps say Miss Glass Stars. Do you want to wear the caps for the picture? Miss Glass asks. Yes, we shout. I shout louder than anybody. Quickly, I unwrap my scarf. I put on the cap. I do not look odd anymore. I look almost normal. 1, 2, 3. We all say cheese. And for the moment, that's fancy for right now. I look picture perfect. Please see, I hope I have fast growing hair. That was an interesting story. That was Frozendoll reading the book Fancy Nancy, Hair Do's and Hair Don'ts. Hope you all enjoyed the story. See you soon once again.